I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on your iPad. First, you'll need to access the Apple App Store. Make sure your device is connected to a strong internet signal. It's also important to verify that your iPad is running iPad OS version 10.0 or newer to ensure full compatibility and the best gaming experience. This will allow the game to run smoothly and without issues. Next, open the App Store and use the search function to find Geometry Dash. Once you locate the game, simply tap the Get button to begin the download process. You will then be prompted to authenticate your purchase. This can be done quickly and securely using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password, ensuring a safe transaction. After the game has finished downloading and installing, find the Geometry Dash icon on your iPad's home screen and tap it to launch the application. The core gameplay involves simple controls. Just tap the screen to make your character jump. Mastering the timing of these taps is crucial for successfully navigating the game's many obstacles and completing levels. Geometry Dash offers a rich experience beyond its main levels. You can explore an almost infinite number of user-created levels in the online section, providing endless new challenges. Additionally, personalize your gameplay by customizing your in-game icon. Choose from a vast selection of colors and shapes to make your character truly unique as you conquer each level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.